आप सभी का स्वागत है आकर्षिता वाइब्स में। आज आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इस व्लॉग की शुरुआत नाइट के टाइम से क्यों हो रही है। जनरली मैं अपना व्लॉग सुबह के टाइम से शूट करती हूँ, बट टुडे इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल डे एंड इट्स नॉट स्पेशल फॉर एवरीवन बेसिकली in India, or I think in entire world, today everyone is going to witness the blood red moon. So to find the blood red moon, I am entering in my flat and directly I'm going towards my like balcony area where I could find the blood red moon, but so far I am not able to see because from our flat we are not able to see it clearly. So I came to a particular place where I can see this moon, and so far what I am able to see is the moon is still the white moon. Like today in every news they were telling that in India everyone is going to witness this blood red moon. Basically in Hindi, it is called as Chandragrahan. So we are not allowed to see it, and we can't eat anything during this particular time, and there are so many restrictions which we have to follow. I do not know whether it is being followed by everyone or not. I'm really not very sure about it. So far I was just waiting to see the blood red moon, and here I'm standing as this video is particularly shot with the very fast mode on, but I could not see any change in the moon. I just heard that today we are going to see red blood moon. So to see that, I'm calling Aparna so that we can go down and check is it really happening or not, because so far I was checking the moon every time and it was there, but now it's not there. So I strongly feel that moon is back now. Let's go and check. So the result is we didn't saw any blood red moon. So now it's the morning time and I came to the local market where I could see lot of bananas. So only I think Kerala is the place where you can find the varieties of bananas. And let me tell you one secret thing also, okay? Here the banana sellers are earning more than the IT people. So this is a very big secret. I think so many people might agree with this. By the way, I just came for breakfast over here. So most of the times you will find me having breakfast here because I just look out for like good places where I can have a crispy dosha with a good like podi masala. So this is my go-to place. Every time whenever I feel like having dosha and podi masala, I just come over here, and so many good places are also near to this area, and that's how I end up coming over here. After waking up, we both landed here down to the bridge because Aparna wanted to see what is down here. She is here and still thinking what is here. But actually, no, if we are wearing some good clothes, we can have really good photos. But now we just woke up and came, so we are looking super bad. And here are some old boats under the water. And if you would have seen my last videos, you would have seen this beautiful place where I have put that song, Gori Tera Gaon Bada Pyara. No, it was some other song, I guess. But yeah, this place looks so beautiful when it's raining. It's near Info Park. If you know this place, comment and let us know. We are trying to behave like explorer, wanderers, but we are nothing.
We are just kids.
We are just kids roaming to some random places and ending up anywhere.
Small fishes are there.
Inside them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there are fishes inside. So within this boat, I could see little fishes. In Malayalam, if I could say, is unni. Fish, what we should say in Malayalam. I know, like if there is a fish curry, we call it as mean curry. But what we say about like fish in like properly in Malayalam, please comment and let me know. That word I do not know anyway. So after spending entire day in office, now I'm planning to go to the temple. Show yourself, Appu. So after navigating to so many places, we finally reached to Thrikkakara temple. We got lost because the map was showing us.
Actually, that was my mistake actually.
No, it's like we both were confused how to go. It's the first time we are coming to a temple in Kochi. So we didn't know. Suggest us more temple in comment section so that we can explore. Actually, we reached at very good time, Appu. It's Aarti. ये जो टेम्पल है ये है कोच्चि के थ्रिक्काकरा एरिया में. इसको कहते भी थ्रिक्काकरा टेम्पल है, बट आई डो नॉट नो हाउ मच ओल्ड दिस टेम्पल इज. बट this is the place where you will find the idol of Sri Vaman, and like it's very beautiful to see. I can't show you in my video anyway, but you have to get down on your knees to see the god. आकर्षिता वाइब्स की वीडियो हो और चंदा मेलम ना हो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. सो आई जस्ट केम टू द टेम्पल एंड आई जस्ट सॉ चंदा मेलम practice is going on. I think it's for the Onam or something else, because this particular video I shot during the time before the time of Onam. So I think for that itself the practice is going on, and I just love the sound of Chanda Melam, and more than the sound I like the rhythm. See, these all the people are practicing, and if you are observing, there are small kids also who are doing this. So I just love this. I'm enjoying all this view from like very far. I'm standing on the other side and I'm just making this clip because suddenly I just heard the sound and I just ran towards it. You are in Kerala, for sure in Kerala temples you will find this kind of ponds. I do not know what is the main reason behind it, but this is very common in all the temples. She saw a tortoise inside. I didn't saw. Having a crispy aloo paratha made by my mother. I'm enjoying it, and after this I'm going to show you the main thing of Onam, that is Pullikali. I do not know whether I'm pronouncing it wrong or right. Please forgive me for my sentences. This happens after Onam. Specifically, I think it happens only in Thrissur, because so many messages I was getting and people were telling me about this folk art form. Like, it only happens in Kerala, and you know the major highlight of this festival is the tiger painting is done on the people, and like it's very unique. You can see like it is really looking like a tiger skin, right? Okay, let me break a stereotype over here, okay? Those who are not from Kerala and watching this video, do not think like people are generally having this tiger paint on their body, and most of the times whenever you go to Kerala you will see the view like this. No, never. This happens only during the time of Onam, and that too I think on the 4th day of Onam. Other people who are watching, please comment and give more information about it. So this kind of art form, it is like only visible during the time of Onam. So this is the thing which you are not going to see very commonly in Kerala. Okay, so do not make a stereotype in your head like, okay. तो ओनम केरला का एक एनुअल हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है. जैसे कि पंजाब में लोहड़ी आती है और यूपी में पता नहीं क्या आता है, मुझे ऐसे नहीं पता है मेनली, बट हाँ ये एक हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है. और ये जितने भी आप लोग देख रहे हैं जो ऐसे एज अ टाइगर फॉर्म में ड्रेस्ड अप हुए हैं, आप देख रहे हैं देयर आर सम फीमेल्स ऑल्सो हु आर डूइंग दिस. बेसिकली ये जो आर्ट फॉर्म होती है ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक्सपर्ट्स करते हैं. एक्सपर्ट या कह सकते हैं कि जो वेल ट्रेन्ड पीपल हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कल को इस तरीके से ड्रेसअप होके आप भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. नो, इट इज़ ओनली डन बाय द ट्रेन्ड पीपल. इंग्लिश में इसको बोलेंगे हम द टाइगर डांस, बट इन मलयालम इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज पुल्लिकली. ओके, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर बिकॉज माई प्रोनाउंसिएशन इन मलयालम इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड. सो द मीनिंग ऑफ पुल्लिकली इज़ बेसिकली the tiger dance. Okay, so I think this much information is enough, and any one of you wants to give more information, you're most welcome. You can comment over here. आप सामने देख सकते हैं कि चंदा मेलम भी शुरू हो गया है. चंदा मेलम हो रहा है, पुल्लिकली हो रहा है. तो इस समय ओणम का जो टाइम होता है ना केरला में, सबसे स्पेशल टाइम होता है. You will see the best of Kerala during this time. Best of Kerala I could say like, see केरला में मेनली जो त्रिशूर है यहाँ पे इस टाइप की आर्ट फॉर्म्स की जाती हैं. जनरली एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आई एम लाइक नॉट वेरी श्योर कि सब जगह ऐसा होता है कि नहीं, बट एज फार एज आई हैव रिसर्च्ड एंड आई एम लिविंग इन केरला एंड आई एम बीइंग इन त्रिशूर, व्हाट आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड इज दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर मेनली डन इन त्रिशूर, and there might be some different things which are being done in different states, so that I'm not very much aware of. You can comment and let me know about it. So now you enjoy this Pullikali. Just see the way how they are enjoying. Just see how many people are there. A big crowd is there. People basically take holidays or just take leave to come over here and see this. मैंने तो ये चीज़ विटनेस नहीं की है, बट मेरे फादर मुझे बताते हैं दैट बिफोर 2019, लाइक बिफोर कोरोना पीरियड, देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ ह्यूज क्राउड of foreigners who used to come and stay here and see this all kind of things. Even like during the time of Onam or Trishur Puram, if you are coming to Trishur, you won't get any hotels to stay and all. People used to do booking for almost 1 month before and even before that, due to the heavy crowd and all. But after Corona, so many tourists have stopped coming. It's not stopped coming, there are so many people also who are coming, but comparatively it is lesser. And like somewhere I feel like we should show our culture to everyone in the world, because we are very proud of it. So via my channel, if some people are able to see this, you are most welcome to Trishur to see Puligali in Kerala. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.